All right, so today, here in Park City, got these two guys right here, John Perry, Green County Fertilizer. Then we got Jeff Stahman.
Jeff the Ramen Stahman.
The Ramen Stahman. Today, we're going to be playing around the golf. We're also going to be asking Jeff a little bit about his company, Turfmend, how he started it, why he's doing it. All that is going to be happening today. So, come on, let's go. Okay. All right, so we're at the first hole right now. Gotta say I'm very, very excited about this. We got 3 different situations here. Me being on the Junior Golf League, I've been on the Junior Golf League in Illinois for about 10 years. And Jeff here probably hasn't played a game of golf in 6 months. Yeah, 6 months, but he is a greenskeeper, so he knows the grounds very well. And then John?
I got nothing.
Yeah, he's got nothing. He just hits fastballs.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Hit him
that's
far,
it.
that's
He's slick. He's slick, so this will be a lot of fun. Not bad. Ooh, straight on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little left. So, Jeff, what was it that made you want to start Turfmend?
Actually, a good buddy of mine suggested that I start Turfmend using my divot mix.
Sweet deal.
So we actually formed a partnership at first, and I ended up buying him out, and now me and my wife are business partners.
Cool.
I wanted to be able to make professional turf managers' lives easier, because budgeting your time costs so much money, and people don't account for that. So if they have something ready to go that's consistent and can fix bare spots, and they can make money off of it, that's what I was trying to do. I'm not saying that they don't have the ability to make it, but it's having something right there where they don't have to go get all the materials, and it's in the trailer ready to go.
So that first hit was awful. I was a little too flat, so got to straighten that body out a little bit, move a little closer to it, and maybe that should do it. Oh, thank you. So you got a little bit of a divot. Take some Turfmend here. Let me level that sucker. Good to go.
Oh, there you
Nice.
go.
Yeah.
You got that on film?
Nice.
Yep.
You got that on film?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. You can be done. Rest of the day.
What's up, buddy?
Hit that tree.
Huh?
Glad I hit the tree.
Oh, it's right there. Look at that.
That'd have gone into the water.
Close call, John.
Trying to drive the green.
At least you're driving the green. I'm on the freaking... I keep hitting the right trees. So that was probably by far my best shot all day today. This was probably by far one of my best shots. Look where I landed. First shot. On a par 4, and the hole is right there. Bam. Okay, here is the problem. Let's see if we can fix this. I'm right here. Bowl of water there. Green there. Can we chip it on? Let's see. Right on. What are your goals for the business?
Eventually, I'd like to be able to quit my job and focus fully on Turfmend. But one of the most important goals I have is to be able to buy PTSD dogs for soldiers.
That's very cool.
So there's a couple charities I've been looking at. One's in the Northwest, one's in the Midwest. I haven't decided which one I want to go with, but dogs have always been a part of my life. And there's so much research showing that these PTSD dogs drastically change these guys' lives. And if I can do that, that's been me and my wife's goal from day one.
Here we are, back 9. Did pretty good on the front nine. Was chopping a lot, but not bad for my first game in like 3 years. Get better. Break. Oh.
I don't think you had any doubles.
All right, man. Time to hit around the geese.
Hit the geese. It's time for some birdies.
You don't want to pull an Alan Hain and hit a goose.
I don't want to slip in their shit.
Oh, look at him.
Look at 'em.
You guys are so nice.
See you, ladies.
Yeah.
There's a lot of pressure.
Pressure's on.
You're being filmed, so you better hit a
Show
350.
that courage, Jeff.
Hit a 321. 321. Ooh, that was a good one.
Very coachable, Jeff.
That was good. I'll take that. Pretty good. Right on the fairway.
What's your best drive all day?
I know,
I would
right?
go home.
Good for you.
One last question. What is the story behind Repair the Bear? It's so good.
There's just such a great guy, John Perry.
Gotta give him the credit.
He reached out to me and said, Jeff, you have a great idea. I love your concept, but your logo and your slogan need to change. And he sent me a little mock-up drawing with the Repair the Bear slogan. I sent it to Fiverr. Spent $100 on my logo. And I think it's turned out great. And it's really, during the whole coronavirus thing, we paused everything, took advantage of the slow time. And now I think we're off. And I think we're going to really do well the next couple of years. I'm excited to see where it goes.
It's awesome. I'm excited for you.
Yeah,
I'm
I
excited to be
appreciate it.
working alongside you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bam. So Jeff, just to make sure I'm doing this right, sprinkle it in, spread it out, right? Stomp it in place. Yep.
Bam.
Repair the bear.
Repair the Bear.
Repair the bear.
Oh, my shit.
Turfmend. Repair the bear.
Not going to fit my swing.
Repair the frickin' bear.
Oh, my God. What the fuck was that?
I know. You left a hell of a divot.
I know. I took this much of the club underground right here.
Repair the bear.
Get up.
Repair the bear.
Fuck that dog.
Oh. Repair the bear. Turfmend. It's pretty good, right into the tree. Bam.